Are you new to CrossFit and eager to kickstart your fitness journey? Today, we're diving into the top 5 beginner-friendly CrossFit workouts that will help you build strength, boost endurance, and enhance your overall fitness. Let's get started. CrossFit is a high-intensity fitness program that combines elements of weightlifting, aerobic exercises, and gymnastics. It's designed to improve overall fitness and prepare you for any physical challenge. The workouts are constantly varied and scalable, making them suitable for individuals of all fitness levels. Cindy is a classic CrossFit benchmark workout that's perfect for beginners. It's a 20-minute AMRAP, which stands for as many rounds as possible, consisting of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 air squats. This bodyweight workout helps build muscular endurance and cardiovascular fitness. If you're new to pull-ups, consider using resistance bands or performing ring rows as a modification. This descending rep scheme workout is both simple and effective. Starting from 10 reps down to 1, perform kettlebell swings with a moderate weight and dumbbell thrusters with a moderate weight. This workout targets multiple muscle groups and is excellent for building strength and endurance. No equipment? No problem. This bodyweight workout includes 10 air squats, 10 sit-ups, 10 push-ups, 10 ring rows, and 10 burpees. Complete 3 rounds as quickly as possible. This workout enhances functional strength and cardiovascular health. This workout combines upper body strength with cardiovascular endurance. Perform 5 rounds of 10 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, and a 400-meter run. If you're just starting out, scale the run to 200 meters and use modifications for pull-ups as needed. This escalating challenge tests your stamina and mental toughness. In minute 1, perform 1 burpee. In minute 2, perform 2 burpees, and so on. Continue until you can no longer complete the required number of burpees within the minute. It's a great way to measure progress over time. Starting CrossFit can be intimidating, but remember, focus on mastering proper form before increasing intensity. Don't hesitate to scale workouts to match your fitness level. Consistency is key. Regular workouts lead to progress. Listen to your body and rest when needed. CrossFit is adaptable, and with dedication, you'll see improvements in strength, endurance, and overall health. Embarking on your CrossFit journey is a step towards a healthier, stronger you. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Let's get moving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more fitness content, and share your CrossFit experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching.